morning, YouTube family. Welcome to Steaks and Locs. Today we're going to be talking about my wash day. I had my wash day 2 days ago and how that went. If you want to find out what's going on with my hair, like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned. Well, on a whim, I got home from work, and on my drive I was like shaking my hair. And I swear to God, I had it looked like I had picked cotton. There was so much flake and lint coming from my head. I was like, maybe it's time we wash our hair. And you know what I love is that I got home and I had just purchased Dr. Bronner's castle soap, the citrus one. I also have the peppermint one and the hemp one. And I used the citrus one. I just diluted it in water in my spray bottle and just went and washed my hair, and then I braided it right after. And then I kept those braids in for 2 days. I just took them out this morning. Girl, look at this. Look at these curls. Look at this hair, okay? Look at this hair, man. I don't know if you can see that. Look at the shine. Look at those curls. Look at this braid out, bro. This braid out is fire right now. Just love it. Love it. Love how my hair feels. It's light. It was starting to look dusky and, ratchet. And so I washed it, and my scalp feels great. It's not itchy. My hair feels moisturized. I didn't use any oils. I haven't sprayed it with any water. I've been veering away from just too much moisturizations because I do need it to lock. And just doing low maintenance. So I braid it down every night just into 2 braids because it's small enough. And I put a satin scarf on. I have a satin pillowcase. And I just go to bed. And that's what I do every day. That's what I've done every night. Because I kind of don't want it to bunch and do all that fancy stuff. So when I washed it, the last row in the back came undone. And so I tried to interlock it. Okay, guys, you guys make interlocking look so easy. I struggled. I'm like, how am I gonna do this? This isn't working out. Whose idea was this? And I was grabbing hairs in from other areas. I was mirroring locks. I was combining. I was like, this is the struggle, bro. So, and I bought tools upon tools. So the tool I ended up settling on is the tapestry needle, the plastic ones, and I cut it short, and then I kind of burnt the end and made it into a little curvature. So that's what I used, and that was the thing that worked. I have the Easy Lock tool, and I have other tools that I've been using for my son's hair. None of those work. They're too small right now. Maybe later on those will work, but right now they're too tiny, and so it's very difficult for me to find the area, stick to the area, and not grab anything else. So interlocking is going to be quite difficult, and I was looking forward to it. I am no longer looking forward to it. By the way, can we appreciate that my face is clearing? If you look at my first video, I'm a nurse. These N95 masks have been ravaging my face. Oh man, I had perfect face. I had perfect skin, but I started using the Dr. Bronner castle soap, and I've only been using it for 3 days now, and my face is already clear. I cannot believe it. It is doing such a great job on my face. I don't put anything else. I just wash my face with that. I don't even use a washcloth. I just rub it on my face, and that's it. Rinse it out. Done. So I'm still enjoying my journey. I love this hairstyle. I cannot get over how easy my life is. I cannot even. So if you're thinking about locking your hair and you're looking for inspiration, you've got it right here. Keep watching. I'll be documenting my journey, and of course I'm in my car in my uniform because I got 3 kids. I don't have time in my regular life to sit and document anything. I'm just so busy at home, and so my videos are going to be raw. There's not going to be anything fancy to them. You're not going to get nice memes and things coming out of the screen. This is raw in the making because this is the best I can do. And so you know, people are watching, so watch it, subscribe so that, you know, you keep me accountable. Oh, by the way, real quick, if you would like, you can join me on my 40-hour fast. So I'm doing a fast today. I usually fast. I've fasted for the past, I don't know, 10 years. I always fast. I haven't fasted in about a month or so. Life has kind of just been busy and I've lost that muscle. And so fasting is a muscle. You gotta train it. You gotta, you know, you gotta hone it in. So yesterday I decided I'm gonna do a 40-hour fast. I last ate at 5 p.m. I had a nice ribeye steak with some pork chops and some beef fat. And what else did I have? And that was it. That's kind of all I ate. I got really full. In the morning I usually do my coffee with some ghee and some MCT oil, and that just keeps me full, especially when I'm home and I'm making food for the kids. It's really hard to like not want to gouge everything down. So I find like if I do my bulletproof coffee in the morning, I'm okay for the day. All I have is my big jar of water today. I'm gonna drink that. And then in my pocket I have my salt. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah. So I have my salt. I usually put in a Ziploc bag, add that to some hot water, and I sip on that. I also had my coffee because my 2-year-old, my soon-to-be 2-year-old, is going through a phase where he's not feeling sleep. So at 3 o'clock in the morning, he'll just wake up and he'll be up till 5. And who's up till 5? Mother. So coffee. I tried to quit coffee for 2 weeks. My husband's like, Esther, please drink coffee. You will kill everybody in this family. Go ahead and just do me a favor, drink coffee. You're much better. You're a much better human being when you drink coffee. So I haven't been very successful in like not drinking coffee. And that's okay. I guess that's my vice. I try to drink good quality coffee, but whatever. Coffee is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So anyway, that wraps up my video. It's kind of getting a little long and I'm headed into work today. So if you want to fast with me, let's do a fast. You can do 12, 16 hours, 18 hours. I won't eat all day today. So I ate at 5 p.m. last night and I don't intend on breaking my fast till tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So it'll be like a 41-hour fast. And I'm excited for it. It's been a while. We'll see the results. I'm not even trying to lose weight. I do it for healing and setting resetting my metabolism, getting energy, and just giving my gut a break to be able to just do a bunch of immune stuff and autophagy and cleaning up. Lots of videos on fasting online. I'm not here to preach to you about fasting. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you like my content, like, subscribe, and share, and come back, because there's going to be more. And you know you want to see all this. Don't lie.